Okay, so today's a big day. We've got the radiator, everything back in the thing. Got the hood on it finally. We got the air cleaner stack on there. Door fixed, windows fixed.
Tire.
Gotta fire it up and see if everything's working fine.
And we got the tire that went low, got fixed.
Yeah, we fixed the tire on there yesterday. Bridgewater came out and fixed it for us. We get her outside. We gotta put the side shields on and the duals, and I think she's ready to go.
Good stuff. This is our biggest tractor. We're going to use a lot for plowing this year. We got a lot more land. So if we can get this thing running good, get a couple of years out of it, we'll really be doing good. Nice. We got the hydraulic pump rebuilt, so that's not leaking. Last year we fixed the exhaust leak, which made it sound like crap, so this thing sounds nice and smooth now. I think the only thing that's wrong with this thing now is no AC. Tight here. This guy is almost done. Got this all fixed. We're gonna put that on the market. There it is. Now we got half the shop freed up for our next project.